Hi guys, it's Jan from the Aging Nerd. I've just been out and got some footage with my GoPro. The GoPro only saves the files in 8-minute chunks, so I'm going to stitch them together using ffmpeg. These are the 4 files that I've just copied off the SD card in the GoPro onto my PC. They're 4K, 24 frames a second, and just under 9 minutes long. So I will use ffmpeg and concatenate the files to make one 28-ish minute long movie. Right, bring up a command prompt and we'll see what files we're working with. I'll use the dir command. There's all the 4 files and they're all MP4s. First off, we need to put the list of these files into a text file in the following format: file space single quote file name dot extension single quote. You can make this file in Notepad or any text editor, or if you're a nerd you can do the command line. So we just do a for loop that scans through all the files with an MP4 extension, directory list them and amend them to a text file. I'll leave this command in the description. If you would like me to go through it, just leave a comment and we'll see what we can do. After we press return, we should be left with the 4 video files and a list.txt file in the folder. The list.txt file is basically just an index that ffmpeg uses to go through each file and concatenate them together. Just a note that these 4 files are the same resolution, same bitrate, same encoder, same everything. If they were different, we would have to re-encode as we concatenate them together. Right, start a command prompt and we'll do the concatenation. So the command I'm using is ffmpeg -f concat option -i and then the list of files. -c copy means copy the encoder and all its setting from the original file. Then the output file name and press return. ffmpeg starts to do its thing. You can see here that the first file is getting copied from the original file into the output file. Now it's started on the second file. Once that's done, it will then do the 4th and we'll be left with one large file called output.mp4. They're all done. Let's have a look at File Manager and see what we've ended up with. So there we go, all the files stitched together, making a file of 27 minutes 50 seconds. And this is how I stitch together footage off my GoPro. It is possible to stitch together files of different encoders, different sizes, different frame rates. It's just vastly more complicated than this. If I was doing it, I'd tend to get every single individual file and make them all the same and then just use this simple method. Well guys, this has been Jan. I hope this has been helpful. Please consider subscribing. Thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't.